How to create a business email for free, Gmail business email. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create your very own business email, and it's going to be very easy and very simple. And I'm also going to show you how you can link it to your normal Gmail email. Now, if you're like running a business and you want to go pro, you want to leave the minor mistakes behind and you want to go fully professional, you're obviously going to want a proper business email that you can spread around to people who want to email to you, and you want to give a proper classic look that you're a very strict businessman. So for that, obviously you're going to need to have a proper business email, and for that business email you're obviously going to want to have your very own web domain and web hosting page. Now if you don't have that, I'd recommend that you get all of that set up, because without it you can't really have a proper business email, and without that you can't really connect it to your Gmail. So obviously, first of all, get yourself fully set it up. For that, you need to do web hosting and have a domain at your name. Now, obviously, for that, you're going to need to pay. It's not all free. You're going to need to pay for the domain name. You're going to need to pay for proper web hosting. And for that, I'm going to help you out right now as well. Don't need to worry. So it's going to be very simple. I'm going to take you through all of it. It's a bit of a lengthy process, so I recommend you watch it till the end and you follow every single step you can, because I'm going to guide you to the best, to what I can. And by the end of this video, you're going to know how to create your very own business email and link it to your Gmail account. So let's get right into it. So without further ado, first of all, what you're going to want to do is obviously now there's either the basic Google Gmail or there's the Google Workspace email. Now, what Google Workspace is, that Google Workspace is a business app and it allows you to do web hosting. But for this, obviously, you're going to need to have a paid subscription and all those whatnot, and you don't really want to get into that. So obviously, you're going to make your very own gmail.com. Now, what you're going to want to do is have your very own domain name and your proper web hosting. Now, for that, you can either use different platforms like WooCommerce, WordPad, Hostinger. There are many great platforms, but today I'm going to show you how to do it using HostPapa. Now, what HostPapa is, it's a small business web hosting platform that they give you online, and it uses your SSDs for data storage. So for website hosting, this is amazing because it just loads much faster. It makes much more efficient and secure website domains, website hostings. So yeah, I'm just going to show you how to get into it and use it to do what you're here for, and that is create a business email and link it to your Gmail. So without further ado, we're just going to go on HostPapa. Now, before getting into it, I'm going to tell you it's perfectly reliable and a lot of people use it. I have used it myself, and I tell you that it's great and it's very fast and it will work great. So once you're here, obviously we're going to want to go on hosting, because we want to start web hosting, because that's where we're going to get our domain name. So we're going to click on web hosting, standard cPanel web hosting. It gives us a proper cPanel. Now, once we're here, we're going to see this interface, powerful web hosting to get your business online, get everything you need to be successful online, including hosting, emails, and 400 plus business apps. Now, they say it's free domain registration, which it is, but to start your web hosting, there are 4 different plans. Obviously, you're going to need to have to pay for a different web hosting or domain name, because it's not going to be all free. So there's the start package, that's $2.95, and then there's the plus package, which is $5.95. Now obviously in these you get different packages. Now in the $2 one you get 1 website, and in the $5 one you get 10 websites, and then of course there's the more pro and ultra offers. You can use that if you want to, but that's totally on you. I'd recommend just use the pro one, because pro is best. You don't really need to get into ultra. So once you've bought your trial, what you're going to want to do is, obviously I don't have it bought right now, so I'm just going to walk you through all the steps that happen. Once you've bought your web hosting, HostPapa will take you to this interface page where it's going to show you your web host and your domains. What you're going to want to do is, in the top left corner of the taskbar or the ribbon you see on the top, it's going to say cPanel. You're going to click on cPanel, and then it's going to give you this whole interface where it gives you your email account, your password, etc. What you're going to want to do is obviously go to your email accounts. Now, once you go to your email accounts, there you're going to want to create an email that you want to link to your Gmail. So you're just going to create your email. You're going to verify yourself and make sure to create an email that you're going to remember. And please do make sure that the email looks professional. Now, what a professional email does not look like is, let's say, for example, if I write this over there, this is a very informal. This is an email that everyone uses. And it's not very professional. It doesn't look very professional. But if you do want to write your name, you can do that. And then you can put in your company if you want. So, for example, let's say your company is related to media. So, like media and stuff .co or .edu and stuff like that. So, basically, you want to make it look as professional as you can. And once that is done, you're going to create the email. And once you create it, it's going to be in your Host Papa background store. And from there on, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go and edit it. Now, once you edit it, it's going to create and generate a proper web hosting domain, and it's going to name it on your email. Once you have an email properly created and you have a proper domain name to your name and you're a proper web hoster, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to your Gmail. Now, once you're in your Gmail, let me just wait for that to load up. Once you're over here, what you're going to want to do is you're going to go and click on the top right corner where it says settings. You're just going to click on that. Now, once you click on that, over here, you're going to see all of this, and you're going to click on see all settings. It's right there on the top, and you're going to click on that. Now, once you click on see all settings, it's going to take some time to load. And once it loads up, it's going to bring you to a page, what I'm going to show you right now. So yeah, once it all loads, it's going to bring you to this page. Now, on this page, you're going to see a lot of things, so don't worry. I'm going to walk you through it all. You're going to see all of this, and you're going to go on accounts and import. Now, once you go to accounts and import, what you're going to want to do is you're going to see all of these. It's change account settings, using Gmail for work, import mail and contacts, send mail as, check mail from other accounts, grant access to your account. Now, this is the thing that we want. It's grant access to your accounts. So you're going to do that, and then you're going to do that, and then you're going to do this. And in all three of these, what you're going to want to do is we're just going to wait for this to open up. When this opens up, you're going to put in the email address that you just associated with your Host Papa web hosting account. And once you put, let's say, for example, I'm just going to put in something random. Let's say this was media and stuff .eu.com. Let's say this was your domain name. Then you're going to click on next step. And obviously mine is invalid, but if yours is valid, you're just going to keep clicking on next. And then it's going to ask you the password that you associated with it. You're going to put in your password. You're going to fully verify yourself. It's going to send you different codes to your Host Papa account. You're going to verify it. And once it's fully verified, what's going to happen is that email or domain name will be associated with your Gmail account. And that will automatically make your Gmail that you have into a business account. So it will automatically turn into a Gmail business account, which is associated with your web hosting and domain name account. And yeah, that's basically how easy it is to connect your Gmail account to some type of web hosting account that you have. And I just showed you how to do that using Host Papa. And Host Papa is the most, it's very cheap. It's very affordable, and you can use it as much as you want. It's a great website, very efficient, very reliable, and you can use it to create as many domains as you like. And after that, you can create and connect to as many accounts as you want to if you want to create different Gmail accounts for your business. So yeah, that's basically about it. And that's how easy it is to make your very own domain and web hosting account for your business. And if you have any questions or queries related to this matter, you can let me know down in the comments and I'll get right back to you. If you have any questions you want to ask me, you can ask me as that as well. I'm going to answer all of them as soon as I can. If you want to see more videos like this, please let me know. I'm going to make more videos like this. But yeah, until then, like the video and subscribe to the channel because it helps me out a lot. Share this video with anyone who needs help in these related matters, and leave a nice comment if you like the video. But yeah, until then, I hope you all keep having an amazing day. That's all from me, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.